Welcome back to playing with horsepower. Today I won't be playing with no horsepower, but if any of you guys got old trampolines that your kids have obviously broken their arms or legs on, or maybe just dislocated or just fractured stuff, and you give it up, they got tired of it for the pain and anguish they went through. Well, now if they were old enough to jump back on it nowadays and try to do their little back flips and forward flips, and they probably went through the trampoline and broke the rest of the bones they had in their body. Okay? I'm here to tell you that if you guys have the old framework still laying around, I have found a use for it. Here's your old circular section there where your springs attach, right? Okay. Well, you take that, here's the bottom part where your leg is, right? And then those are the uprights for the legs. Well, what I did was I took this curve section and I attached a long straight to one end, like so. No, it's not going to fit. Okay, well, I grabbed the wrong piece, but whatever. Anyway, attach this end to there, like that. So now you got this long section, right? Now you take the foot, and you take that whole piece, like that, and you stuff it in the end. Particularly that end goes into that end of the pipe. I already cut them off, but just kind of give you an idea of how to do this. You slide that into there like that, right? Yeah. Yes, sir. Hold on a second. Okay. So, let's just show you how to counter the measurement here. This would be how the leg would have sat. You'd have that weird shape, right? That's how the leg would be, and this would how the other piece would be, like such. Okay, close to that. Okay, you get the idea. You want to stuff that piece into that piece, and then you want to come back here, and you take another leg like this that's still in one piece, the one not like I cut up here, and you stuff it in the other end with another straight section. You want two straight sections, two leg sections attached, and then, well, hold on. Let's see here. I got one here. Let's just pretend that's attached. All right, so you would take your other leg section. I'd knock that piece off. It would be kind of curved outwards like so, like this end here. Minus this piece, right? Okay. Take that end, you line it up, and then you take a measurement in between your two legs. One leg there, one leg there, in between, depending on how wide you want it. Now, hold on, I'll show you what I did. Okay, this is just for demonstration purposes, so it's not going to be perfect. But the part right there is a leg section, and that right there would be another leg section. This would be the upright for the leg right here, and then same on the other side, leg section. Now you want to take a measurement from here to there, and then from the outer leg to the outer leg, depending on how wide you want it. Mine's going to be 12 feet wide, which is perfect. But once you've done that, and you figured out where you want it, you just take this pipe and you lay it on top of your leg. Make sure everything's measured out at the bottom for where your feet are. You take a jiffy and you just mark right there and cut it. When you're done cutting that, you get rid of that piece. You bring this piece back, tighten her up nicely, and boom, we got one leg. Same thing with this side. after you've taken your measurement and it's close to where you want it, you lay it on top. As you can see, I got an old mark here that was a kind of a screw up. But you take that old mark, you mark it out, you cut it off, and you weld this piece onto there, like so. These pieces are garbage. Or maybe they'll work for something else. I don't know, maybe I'll use them for supports in the roof. But yeah, by the time you're done, you get everything all welded up, this is what you should have. I mean, damn, that's pretty hard to see. But this thing is gonna be massive, boy, massive. Just ginormous. It's gonna be 12 feet wide by 20 feet long by over 8 feet tall. How big is that? What can fit in there? That'll fit in there. That great big old blue truck will slide right in like a dream. With the tires on, with the lift. Don't believe me? Here, I'll set it up on my overhead stand there, and I'll show you just how big this Quonset frame is gonna be. Lean-to carport. Might as well call it a giant carport, but it's gonna be awesome. Hold on a second, I'll set it up so you guys can just get an idea of just how big it is and why you don't want to throw that trampoline frame away. Alright, now just to see how big that sucker is. That thing is gonna be huge. I mean, that 76 short box on 48-inch floaters is gonna roll right in there with room to spare. I mean, I got what? About 2 feet on this side of the rim. Probably right around the same on this side. And as you can see, man, yes, Quonset that I'm gonna build, carport, is gonna be huge. And then when I'm done, I'm gonna go and order some 10, 20 foot 8 inches. So I can have a 4-inch overhang on each end. And then I'll end up just tinning it straight across. This way, all the way across that way. Boom, carport. Probably use up these little leg supports for roof bracing some way. Somehow. But yeah, you just weld these bad boys on to the tops of your legs. And you got yourself a homemade carport. Huge! You'd probably pay $1,500 for something like this. Something of this size, stature, and quality. And this is all from a garbage trampoline that probably broke your kid's legs and arms. So if you want revenge on that trampoline, well, there it is. Let me know what you guys think. Thanks to all current subscribers. Give a shout out to let's see, Corey Brooks Customs, DD Speed Shop, BW's Garage, Ironhead Garage. Who else wanted a shout out? I think I might be forgetting somebody there, but if I do, just drop me a comment. I'll give you guys a shout out. And if you're somebody that has subscribed to me and you're looking for subscribers and I haven't subscribed to you, let me know. Drop in the comments, say I like doing subscription swaps, and I'll be glad to swap a subscription with you, because I am trying to get monetized and I am trying to get back on my life feet again here. So anyway, if you liked it, drop a like,